Over 60? Drink these 3 teas to rebuild muscle and walk strong again. Have your legs been feeling weaker lately, like they just don't carry you the way they used to? Maybe climbing the stairs leaves you more tired than before, or standing for long periods makes your legs ache. You're definitely not alone. And no, it's not just aging. Recent studies have revealed that certain natural teas can actually rebuild leg strength, improve blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and even boost your daily energy levels, all without depending on pills or painful workouts. And here's the best part. These teas are simple, safe, and backed by real science. In fact, one large Japanese study found that older adults who regularly drank green tea had far better leg strength, coordination, and balance compared to those who didn't. You'll even see it in real life. Legendary Japanese sprinter Hidekichi Miyazaki, who kept running races past the age of 100, credited his daily cup of green tea as one of his secrets to staying fit. So in today's video, we're uncovering the top 3 best teas for seniors to rebuild muscle, walk stronger, and feel more energetic again. Each one is research-backed and senior-friendly. And if you stay till the very end, I'll also share one surprising tea ingredient that supercharges your circulation and helps fight fatigue. Let's dive right in. 1. Ginger turmeric tea. A warm cup of ginger turmeric tea might be one of the best natural muscle boosters for seniors. If your legs often feel heavy, tired, or sore, this tea can help bring that strength and energy back. Here's how it works. Ginger and turmeric are 2 of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory roots on the planet. When combined, they don't just soothe your joints. They actively repair muscle tissue and calm the inflammation that causes stiffness and weakness. See, for many seniors, it's not just weak muscles that make walking hard. It's the swelling and soreness that come after even mild activity. Ginger turmeric tea targets that directly, but it does even more. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which are known to improve blood flow and circulation. Think of your legs like engines. They need steady, oxygen-rich blood to perform well. When blood flow slows, your muscles can't get the nutrients they need, leading to fatigue and that wobbly feeling. A daily cup of ginger tea helps keep that blood flow smooth and strong. Now let's talk about turmeric, often called gold in a cup. It contains curcumin, one of nature's best anti-inflammatory compounds. Curcumin helps reduce joint stiffness, protects muscle fibers from breaking down, and speeds up recovery. So if your knees pop or ache after standing up, this tea might help you move more comfortably again. And there's another hidden bonus. This tea also boosts your energy levels. Not the jittery crash-and-burn energy from coffee, but a calm, steady alertness. Ginger helps your metabolism run smoother, so your body turns food into usable energy more efficiently. That means fewer sluggish afternoons and more motivation to stay active. Here's how to make it. Take a few thin slices of fresh ginger root and about a teaspoon of turmeric, fresh or powdered. Add them to hot water and let it steep for about 10 minutes. Then add a pinch of black pepper. This helps your body absorb turmeric's curcumin more effectively. Sweeten with a little honey or a squeeze of lemon if you like. Drink it once a day, preferably in the morning. Some people notice results within a few days, while others see steady improvement over a couple of weeks. But the key is consistency. Fun fact, in traditional Indian homes, ginger turmeric tea has been used for centuries to keep joints flexible and muscles strong. Even modern athletes like NBA star Stephen Curry include turmeric in their daily recovery routine. So, if you're over 60 and ready to fight stiffness, reduce leg fatigue, and feel energized again, this simple golden tea is one of the easiest and most powerful habits you can start today. 2. Ginseng green tea. Next up is ginseng green tea, a true powerhouse for older adults who feel their strength and stamina fading away. See? As we age, our body naturally loses muscle mass, especially if we're not exercising regularly. But the bigger problem is mitochondrial slowdown. That's the tiny energy factory inside every cell. When it slows down, your muscles simply can't perform like they used to. That's where ginseng comes in. This ancient root, used for over 2,000 years in Asia, has been scientifically proven to improve muscle performance, reduce fatigue, and increase oxygen delivery throughout the body. In a study published in the Journal of Ginseng Research, seniors who took ginseng extract for just 4 weeks reported significantly higher muscle endurance and better leg coordination. It's like giving your tired muscles a gentle wake-up call. Now combine ginseng with green tea, and you've got a real game changer. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, especially one called EGCG, which helps reduce inflammation and protect your muscle fibers from aging damage. Together, Ginseng Plus green tea form a blend that strengthens your muscles while also keeping your brain alert, your metabolism active, and your immune system strong. How to make it: boil water. Add half a teaspoon of dried ginseng root or a ginseng tea bag and 1 green tea bag. Steep for 5-7 minutes. Add a few drops of honey for flavor. Drink it mid-morning or before light activity like walking or stretching. And here's something interesting. Many Korean elders drink ginseng green tea daily and remain active even into their 80s and 90s. That's because this tea not only fuels the body but also sharpens mental focus. If you often feel mentally foggy or physically sluggish, 1 cup of this tea a day could help you feel more like yourself again. Focused, steady, and strong. 3. Ashwagandha tea. Now, let's talk about the third and final tea, ashwagandha tea, often called the strength root in Ayurveda. Ashwagandha is one of the most researched adaptogens in the world, which means it helps your body adapt to stress, whether it's physical, mental, or emotional. And when stress levels drop, your muscles recover faster, your sleep improves, and your body starts rebuilding strength naturally. In fact, multiple clinical trials have shown that older adults who took ashwagandha regularly gained more muscle mass and better endurance than those who didn't. That's because ashwagandha supports testosterone and growth hormone levels, 2 key ingredients for maintaining lean muscle even in your 60s or 70s. But that's not all. This tea also supports your nervous system, which means better coordination, balance, and reduced risk of falls, something every senior should pay attention to. How to make it: take 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder and boil it in 1.5 cups of water for 10 minutes. Let it cool slightly, then strain and sip before bedtime. You can add a little honey or cinnamon for flavor. Drinking this tea before sleep helps your muscles recover overnight, so you literally wake up stronger. Many people also report deeper, more restful sleep, which is essential for healing and muscle growth. So if you combine all 3 teas, morning, ginger turmeric tea; midday, ginseng green tea; evening, ashwagandha tea, you'll have a natural, science-backed way to rebuild muscle strength, reduce swelling, and boost your overall energy without any supplements or protein powders. Your body is capable of healing and rebuilding itself, no matter your age. The secret lies in giving it the right fuel. These 3 teas, ginger turmeric, ginseng green, and ashwagandha, are simple daily habits that can bring real transformation in just a few weeks. If you want to walk stronger, feel lighter, and move without stiffness, start with just 1 of these teas today. Your future self will thank you. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Golden Life Health for more natural, science-backed videos on senior wellness, muscle strength, and longevity, because on this channel, we believe that every year after 60 can be your strongest, healthiest, and happiest yet.